Look up at the night sky, a velvet canvas sprinkled with the diamond dust of a billion suns. Now close your eyes. Inside your head, another universe awakens. Which is more complex, the cosmos with its spiraling galaxies, or the 3-pound organ in your skull that lets you even ask? For centuries, we've charted the heavens and mapped the neural jungle within us, seeking the origins of complexity. Today we'll weigh the grandeur of the universe against the intricate conscious complexity of the brain. Are galaxies and neurons built on the same blueprint? Could the laws that shape star clusters also shape our thoughts? Prepare to journey from the edge of space to the core of consciousness, where the ultimate prize is a deeper appreciation for the mystery that connects the stars above with the mind within. Let's begin with the universe inside your head, the human brain. 3 pounds, 86 billion neurons, hundreds of trillions of connections, the most complex object we know. Each neuron forms thousands of links, creating a living, ever-changing web. This is the basis of memory and learning. The brain transforms raw sensory data into a seamless, three-dimensional reality and generates your sense of self. Yet how electrical signals become the feeling of I remains a mystery. The brain is not just a passive processor, it's a relentless simulator, constantly predicting, planning, and imagining. It builds models of the world, anticipates the next note in a song, and lets us imagine futures yet to come. This predictive power shapes our perception of reality from the inside out. The brain is not just a reflection of the world, it is an active, creative force. Now let's turn outward to the cosmos. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is just one among 2 trillion in the observable universe, each a swirling city of stars, gas, and dust. Galaxies collide, stars are born and die, and black holes warp space-time in a cosmic ballet spanning billions of years. The universe is governed by fundamental forces, orchestrating this grand drama across 13.8 billion years. Yet for all its scale and beauty, the universe appears to lack one thing the brain has: consciousness. The stars do not know they shine, the galaxies do not feel themselves spin. The cosmic dance unfolds without awareness, except perhaps for the minds that evolved on one small planet, looking up in wonder. The universe is a masterpiece of complexity, but only the mind can appreciate it. Here's where things get fascinating. When we map the universe, galaxies form a vast, interconnected cosmic web, filaments and clusters surrounding immense voids. Inside the brain, neurons form similar networks, filaments, clusters, and empty spaces. In 2020, scientists found mathematical similarities between the cosmic web and the brain's neural network. Despite different forces, gravity for galaxies, electrochemistry for neurons, both self-organize into complex networks. This is emergent complexity, large numbers of components interacting to form similar patterns, whether galaxies or neurons. Could any sufficiently complex network, regardless of its material, generate something like thought or awareness? The universe may not just be a stage, it might be the thinker itself. This discovery blurs the line between the cosmic and the conscious. Perhaps the network is the key to understanding both. This brings us to the heart of the mystery: consciousness. We can map neurons and measure brain activity, but why does it feel like something to be you? This is the hard problem, the gap between physical processes and subjective experience. Science suggests consciousness emerges from complexity, but we don't know how or why. Some propose the brain is not a generator but a receiver, tuning into a universal field of consciousness. In this view, consciousness is fundamental, and the brain filters it into individual experience. The brain doesn't create the music, it just picks up the station. The hard problem is the fulcrum of our cosmic comparison. If consciousness is purely biological, the universe was silent for billions of years, until us. But what if consciousness is a fundamental property of the universe, present in all matter? Panpsychism suggests the universe has always experienced itself, in simple or complex ways. The structural similarities between the cosmic web and the brain hint at a deeper connection. Perhaps the universe is not a mindless machine, but a vast, slowly awakening mind. We are not just observers but integral parts of a cosmic consciousness. Let's explore the receiver theory further. Imagine consciousness as a broadcast signal filling the cosmos, formless, timeless, everywhere. Most matter can't tune in, but over billions of years, evolution built the brain, the most sophisticated antenna. The brain doesn't create consciousness, it filters and focuses it into a unique individual stream. Your sense of self is the result of this filtering process. We are not isolated islands of awareness but channels through which the universe experiences itself. Moments of insight or interconnectedness may be glimpses of a more direct connection to the universal source. The brain is not the originator of mind, it is the portal for the cosmos to know itself. So which is more complex, brain or universe? The universe is vast but silent. It does not wonder or ask questions. The brain is the universe's mirror, a pocket of matter that can look back, map, and marvel at its own origins. This capacity for wonder drives all science, art, and philosophy. The brain is the only object we know that seeks to understand the system that created it. The universe creates the brain, and the brain creates a model of the universe, a recursive loop of complexity. They are not competitors, but partners in a cosmic dance of discovery. The stars are beautiful, but their beauty is realized only in a conscious mind. We began with a question, brain or universe? The answer is deeper than a verdict. The boundary between mind and cosmos is not as solid as it seems. They are two sides of one reality. The brain is the universe experiencing itself. We exist in a Goldilocks reality, perfectly tuned for self-awareness. The universe is a story, the brain is the reader, and also a character in the tale. Our thoughts are patterns of energy within the cosmos, as real as starlight. The brain's greatest power is to serve as a vessel for the universe's curiosity. In asking the question, the brain proves its unique worth. It is the universe's way of knowing itself.